Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here I took a cardboard box. You can take any shape, round or anything. And then here I'm taking a thick piece of cardboard which I'm going to stick it here on the back side of this box to make the view. This was a painting. Actually I saw it on internet. It was a painting on the canvas, so I thought why shouldn't I try to make it on the cardboard box to make it looks like a miniature waterfall view. So I tried it and I loved it. So here I stick a piece of cardboard triangle type just to make the stairs, to have idea where I will be sticking the rocks and where I'm going to make the stairs. So I stick that piece for the time being there now. Later I will be making the stairs. So I took the foil, folded to make the rocks, and then I'm going to stick them on this cardboard on different places. Then after sticking the foils, I have this spackling paste which I'm going to apply all over the foil and some parts of the cardboard as well. But if you don't have spackling paste, you can go for the cement as well, white or gray color cement. Here I took soft green color, grass color wool, which I will be cutting it very small tiny pieces to make it stick it on the sides of the cardboard. Here I will be applying the white glue first, and then I will start to stick the grass, the wool over it. Then here I have this paper mache clay which I have been using in my last few projects, and I'm loving this clay, and I hope that I will be making the tutorial as well. So this paper mache clay I will be sticking here on this part just to make it like stones and rocks on the wall as well, just to give a look. I will not be making them prominent like I made the foil stones and rocks. This will be just a flat straight wall near to the stairs. Here I have dark gray acrylic paint. I will be using to color the rocks, and later on I will be using black acrylic paint to highlight the rocks. Then for the water, I'm mixing white, blue and green acrylic paints together to get a turquoisey color, bluish shade of water, which I will be using here on this place first. Then here after color, I'm using white glue, and I'm spreading it all over the color to mix them together. And then here is this nylon, wrapping nylon, the kitchen nylon we use, which I'm going to stick it over these colors and glue to give it the look of water. And then here I apply some glue on top of the rocks as well to make the waterfall with the same wrapping nylon. Then here I apply glue, and I'm using the same green color wool on some parts of the rocks as well to make it looks like more natural. Here I'm cutting the cardboard pieces to make the stairs. I'm not going to use too much details for the stairs. I will be just sticking them with the side rocks, the wall, to leave them natural, like something different. I don't know, but I'm not going to use too much details for the stairs. Then here I'm using again light green color shade to highlight some parts of the rocks to give it looks like a growing plants. I have applied the glue on the bottom of the box as well, and I will be closing these holes with the foil, and then I will be using my paper mache clay to make some rocks on this part. Then some more fake flowers. I'm using only one tree here, and then I'm using red acrylic paint to highlight some parts of the wall as well to looks like growing plants as well in red color. For the stairs I'm using this mustard color, and then I will be highlighting these stairs with some light brown shade as well, just to make them looks like wood color bricks. And here for this part I'm using dark brown acrylic paint to make the rocks, and here on the side as well I'll be using the same brown color. And we are almost done. I hope you like this tutorial. I tried this first time in a very tiny way, and I'm totally loving it. If you want, you can use epoxy resin as well for the water looks, but I use the nylon to make it more easy for the people who don't have epoxy resin. But anyway, I hope you like this tutorial, you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel for more great and new ideas, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Subscribe to my